I eat bread and eggs every day. I eat bread and eggs every day. I eat fruits in the morning. I eat fruits in the morning. She cooks rice once a week. She cooks rice once a week. I love the taste of this burger. I love the taste of this burger. This soup is hot and fresh. This soup is hot and fresh. I eat dinner at home. I eat dinner at home. Would you like some more rice? Would you like some more rice? Hurry up, food is getting cold. Hurry up, food is getting cold. Have you had your breakfast? Have you had your breakfast? Let's go to the pizza shop to eat some pizza. Let's go to the pizza shop to eat some pizza. I was starving, finally lunchtime. I was starving, finally lunchtime. Please pass the salt to me. Please pass the salt to me. This food smells really good. This food smells really good. She is cooking dinner now. She is cooking dinner now. We are eating together tonight. We are eating together tonight. I like spicy chicken curry. The noodles taste very delicious. The noodles taste very delicious. He ordered a large pizza. He ordered a large pizza. Let's eat at the restaurant today. Let's eat at the restaurant today. I am very hungry right now. I am very hungry right now. She made tasty vegetable soup. She made tasty vegetable soup. We bought food from the market. We bought food from the market. Please bring 2 cups of tea. Please bring 2 cups of tea. I am cooking rice and chicken. I am cooking rice and chicken. They are eating at the cafe. They are eating at the cafe. He is cutting fresh vegetables. He is cutting fresh vegetables. The food looks very delicious. The food looks very delicious. I want to eat something sweet. I want to eat something sweet. She is baking a chocolate cake. She is baking a chocolate cake. Let's go out for dinner tonight. Let's go out for dinner tonight. I drink milk with breakfast. I drink milk with breakfast. He is frying eggs in the pan. He is frying eggs in the pan. We ordered food for everyone. We ordered food for everyone. The waiter brought our dinner. The waiter brought our dinner. I enjoyed the meal very much. I enjoyed the meal very much.